Who's better, Gucci Mane or Jeezy?
Gucci Mane is so much better than Jeezy. Let me tell you why.
Why is he better?
Because Gucci Mane a real nigga.
Right.
Gucci Mane a real nigga.
Right.
Just so you know, just in case, because a lot of people don't know, Gucci Mane is a real nigga. Okay, Zaytoven is the producer that Migos, Versace, yeah, Montana. That's Zaytoven, Migos, the new rapper. That's that nigga's nigga. Gucci Mane, before that nigga got locked up, him, Zaytoven, hey, quarter brick, half a brick, whole brick.
Yeah, but that's
Zaytoven.
but that was OJ.
That's OJ's Juice Man, but who do you think produced that beat? Zaytoven.
But what does that have to do?
That's
What does that have to do with Gucci? What does that have to do with Gucci and Jeezy? Who's better, Gucci or Jeezy?
Let me finish though.
Boosie's my favorite rapper.
First of all, let me finish. Alright, so anyways, Gucci Mane used to write hooks. Like, he wrote Jeezy's hooks. He used to write hooks. Like, that, do you know that Gucci Mane's known for his ad-libs? Like, burr. Okay. Gucci Mane is known for ad-libs. That's the ad-lib king right there. You know anything about hip-hop, you know Gucci Mane's an ad-lib king. He used to write hooks for Jeezy.
Right.
He wrote, I said, that's him and Jeezy. He wrote the hook, I'm so icy.
Yeah, that's
They
his song.
did that song together.
It's
Jeezy
song.
wanted monies for it. Gucci wrote it. Gucci wanted monies for it. Yeah. These niggas like, dog, but I rapped on the verse. But I wrote the verse. So I be like, man. So I be arguing.